Your Excellency, um, Madam Sheng Yisheng, Chairman of the Chinese People's Political Consultative Conference, Jingshu Province Committee, distinguished members of your delegation, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China, Your Excellency Fei Mixing. On behalf of the government and the people of Samoa, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you, Madam Sheng, and your delegation to our shores. Today's luncheon is a token of our appreciation for a long-standing friendship and our cooperation between Samoa and the Shangshu province, which continues to deepen under the framework of Samoa-China relations.
尊敬的江苏省政协主席张义珍女士，尊敬的费明诗音大使，尊敬的江苏代表团的各位成员，我谨代表萨摩亚政府和人民，欢迎各位来到我们美丽的萨摩亚。那么我们今天的午餐会主要是想在此去庆祝我们萨摩亚和江苏在中国和萨摩亚全面战略伙伴关系不断深化的框架之下，所建立的这种深厚的友谊和长期的合作。
Your visit takes place at an opportune time as our two countries commemorate 50 years of diplomatic relations, a relationship that has delivered meaningful partnership for our people. We recognize with gratitude the assistance extended by Changshu Province in the areas of education, technical training, agriculture, and community development.
那么江苏省代表团此次的到来也是恰逢其时，因为今年是我们中萨两国建交50周年。那在此机会下，我们希望能够进一步深化两国国家层面以及人民之间的这种交往和合作。那么我们也想在此表示对于江苏省给予的援助深切的感谢，特别是在教育领域、技术培训领域以及农业以及还有社区之间的、村镇之间的合作领域的给予的合作和帮助。
Through the Samoa Changshu Skill Training Program, implemented in collaboration with the National University of Samoa and the Taiso Polytechnic College, many Samoans have gained valuable expertise in computer programming and digital media. The establishment of the sister school cooperation between Taiso and schools such as Aele Primary School, Falasiu, and Saipipi Primary School reflects a genuine commitment to nurturing friendship between our younger generations.
中萨两国之间的技术合作得到了江苏省科技学院的大力支持，它帮助萨摩亚国立大学去培养了一批编程专业的专家和学员。那么同时，泰州和我们萨摩亚建立了一系列的友好学校，包括和萨摩亚的 A 小学等等。那么这样的合作就在我们的年轻人和孩子们的心中种下了友好的种子。
We also acknowledge the generous donation of 30 computers from the Wuxi Lingshan Charity Foundation earlier this year, a contribution that has strengthened our educational facilities and improved learning environment for our students. We look forward to the forthcoming MOU between SROS and Jingshu Academy of Agricultural Science, which will further enhance the collaboration in research and capacity building.
那么同时，我们也想感谢无锡灵山基金会慷慨地向我们捐赠了30台电脑，这不仅改善了我们教育的设施，也很好的提升了当地学生的一个学习环境。我们也非常期待萨摩亚的科学发展组织和江苏省农科院今天下午将签署的备忘录能够进一步加强我们萨摩亚的技术培训以及技术建设。
Madam Sheng, Samoa values continued partnership with Shangshu Province. We are confident that your visit will open new opportunities to broaden cooperation, not only in education and agriculture, but also in other areas for sustainable development. I wish you and your delegation a successful visit and hope that you will enjoy the remainder of your short stay in Samoa. Faftai.
那么萨摩亚一直以来珍视和江苏省这样的深厚的友谊与合作，我相信我们江苏省代表团，尤其是张主席领导之下，我们一定会加强在教育、农业以及可持续社会发展等各方面的合作关系。我预祝江苏省代表团的此次访问圆满成功，也希望大家能在短暂的旅途让美丽的萨摩亚留下非常辉煌的篇章。
谢谢姐姐。
Thank you very much.
尊敬的代总理阁下，部长先生，各位先生女士，特别感谢这次对我们代表团到来的这热情接待、精心的安排。正值我们中萨建交50周年之际，我们能有这样一个进一步的交流，共同回忆50年来合作发展的历史，共同展望再一个美好50年的未来，我们应该说非常高兴。
Honorable Acting Prime Minister, Honorable Ministers, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure to be here, and we would like to extend our gratitude for such thoughtful arrangement and gracious hospitality. So this year marks the 50th anniversary of our diplomatic ties. We have looked back on the development of our cooperation, and we are looking forward to another new chapter written for the next 50 years.
虽然这是我第一次到萨摩亚，我们代表团一行对萨摩亚呢已经留下了非常深刻的印象。美丽的风光，和谐的社会，我们非常深刻的这种感受。我们和这个萨摩亚的人民感觉这个情谊呢也更加深厚。
Although it is my first time to Samoa, we are deeply impressed by the beautiful sceneries and the harmonious society you have here in Samoa. And I believe the bond between our people have deepened during our visit.
前不久，中共中央召开了20届四中全会，习近平总书记发表重要讲话，就未来5年的发展也做出了战略的拨划。习近平主席非常重视中萨关系，我们将在习近平主席的带领下，进一步的推进中萨合作，进一步的为构建人类命运共同体做出贡献。
So not long ago, we have convened the 4th plenary session of the 20th CPC Central Committee in China, and President Xi Jinping made important strategic guidance on the development for the next 5 years, especially the strategic priorities for China's development. And President Xi Jinping has valued the relationship between China and Samoa. So under his leadership, we would like to expand and promote Samoa-China cooperation and make contribution to the establishment of a community with a shared future for humanity.
今天上午阁下的我们的交流也非常的愉快。我们一方面共同回顾合作的成就，另外一方面展望我们未来进一步拓展合作的前景。我相信在未来50年，我们能够开拓出更好的合作空间，能够实现共同的发展。
So we had a really pleasant conversation with Acting Prime Minister, and we look back on our past cooperation achievements and make strategic plans for our future cooperation. So I believe that we will expand new horizons for the cooperation in the next 50 years for shared development.
为了中萨友谊，非常感谢，非常感谢。